Today we have recorded the highest number of positive cases since the pandemic struck in our country. The highest number. We tested 3,591 samples over the last 24 hours, and of these, 307 returned positive. This number now pushes our caseload of those confirmed positive to 6,673. Out of a sample size of 173,355 that we have tested thus far. Today's number consists of 289 Kenyans and 18 foreigners. 215 are males, 92 are females. The youngest is 1 year old, the oldest is 81. In terms of counties, Nairobi leads with 154, Mombasa 38, Machakos 33, Kiambu 20, Narok 20, Kajiado 14, Busia 10, Kericho 4, Makueni and Nakuru 5 cases each, Kilifi, Kisumu, Kitui and Uasin Gishu 1 case each. The distribution of cases by sub-counties: in Nairobi, the 154 cases are in Dagoretti North 34, Kibra 22, Embakasi Central and Langata 18 cases each, Starehe 17, Westlands 14, Embakasi South 10, Embakasi West 7, Kamkunji 5, Dagoretti, Makadara and Mathare 2 cases each, Embakasi Central, Roysambu and Ruaraka 1 case each. In Mombasa, the cases are in Vita 22, Likoni 10, Changamwe 5 and Nyali 1. In Machakos, 32 cases were in Athi River and 1 case in Yatta. In Kiambu, Ruiru had 4 cases, Kiambu Town 6, Kabete and Thika 3 cases each, and Kiamba 2 cases, Juja and Lari 1 case each. In Narok, all 20 cases are from Narok North. In Kajiado, the cases are from Kajiado Central 7, Kajiado North 5, and Kajiado East 2. In Busia, the cases are in Teso North 6 and Matayos 4. In Kericho, the 4 cases are from Aina Moi. In Makueni, the 5 cases are in Kibwezi East, and in Nakuru, the 5 cases are from Naivasha 3, Nakuru East and Nakuru West 1 case each. In Kilifi, the 1 case is in Kilifi North, and in Kisumu, the 1 case is in Kisumu Central. Kitui and Uasin Gishu also have 1 case each. The one in Kitui is from Kitui Central, and the one from Uasin Gishu is from Tarbo. We are also delighted to inform you that today we have discharged 50 patients from the various hospitals where they were receiving medical care, bringing to 2,089 the total number of recoveries. We want to thank our healthcare workers for their continued dedication and the achievements that we are making in recoveries. Sadly though, we have lost 1 more patient to the disease, bringing to 149 the number of Kenyans who have succumbed to this disease.